When I was a little girl, I used to ask my father was a doctor, tell me something which is a nice story, which I should remember. He told me that when he was young, there was a poor man who used to stay in the compound of the doctor's quarters, and my mother used to feed him every day. He was an old man, he did not have anybody. Every day morning he will get up, he will go to the roadside and he will plant neem trees and come back and have dinner and sleep. I said it's not a big story, it's a very simple story. What is great in that? An old man goes to plant a neem tree and comes back and sleeps, and my mother feeds. He said, Beta, you are not understood behind that. The old man did not have anybody and he did a fantastic job. A place like North Karnataka, which is very warm like Tamil Nadu, a shade is very important, a tree's shade is very important. An old man who did not have anybody thought it is better to plant a neem tree and mango tree so that it is useful. I told, what a foolish fellow. He was already old. Even though he plants mango tree and neem tree, he will not be able to eat mangoes. He will not be rest below the shade of a tree, neem tree. He said, that's what you think. A truly philanthropic person does the work not because he or she should enjoy, someone else should enjoy. That is the reason I want to tell you this. A fantastic story. If you travel a particular village, my father told me where he stayed, if you see any mango tree and a neem tree on the roadside, think of the old man whose name nobody remembers today and who did a great work, a philanthropic work for others. He might not have got any award the way other people get, but he has done a great job. It was my first lesson when I was a kid. If you want to help others, never think of the award or reason. Do it because others should enjoy.